Hey everybody, welcome back to Hot Mess Crafts. And today we're going to be making a gnome fall wreath. I'm really excited about this one. I love this pale pink. It is one of my favorite colors. And I found this big gnome at Home Goods, and she's holding a little sequin pumpkin. And she's pretty big, so I got a big grapevine to put her on. And I also found the same pale pink velvet pumpkin sprigs also. And we found these as well, all at Home Goods. Now, these little fill flowers I found at Dollar Tree. I've had them a while. I bought a whole lot of them when I got them at that time. And this also is from Dollar Tree. And these pussy willow branches, I found these at Hobby Lobby. I've had them for a while. And I found these beaded pumpkins at Home Goods. I hope you can see the beading on them. And then we have these big, beautiful, I'm not sure if they're sunflowers, some sort of daisy. I'm not a flower expert, but I got this from Joann's Fabric. And I can't remember where these came from, but I've had these for a while too, but they happen to match. And if I can tell you guys, Joann's Fabric right now has all type of florals on sale. And you get 5 bunches for $15. And they've got some deco mesh from spring. That's like 80% off. So I got some of that because it ended up being $2 and something cents for some 10-inch mesh. So if any of you are needing stuff, I'd run over there and grab some things. I tend to go there every now and then when they're having their sales and get my florals because you get so much for so little. And if you're a crafter, you know it's definitely not cheap to get supplies. So anyway, let's get this started. I'm really excited to make this. This is a bigger grapevine than I usually work on, but I needed a bigger one because of the size of our gnome. So let's get started. Okay, don't mind the disarray in the back. Craft rooms aren't always totally organized. When you're working, things get put all over the place a little bit and then you regroup. But I've got a pop-up shop in 2 weeks, so things are going to be a little chaotic while I try to create as much as I can in the next 2 weeks. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is attach our gnome. And if you can see on the back, I've got floral wire running through there as well as some zip ties so that I can secure our gnome on there really well because it's really big. So, and it's got beans in the bottom of it, but I don't care about that. I just want to make sure that our gnome is really on here well. Okay, guys, we've got our gnome all secured, and I forgot to tell you guys that I made this freehand bow off camera. Don't be afraid to mix and match your ribbons, guys. Try to tie in colors with your ribbon and what you're using. These right here were green, but I spray painted them this burgundy color, and I thought it would add a little texture. So sometimes, you know, change the color of your greenery. And I'm going to go ahead and attach our bow now because I want to build around it. And I've got a lot of stuff going on here, so I just want to make sure I'm placing things properly. Okay. Okay, and don't be afraid to play with it. It's on wire. You saw me turn it and put things where I wanted them to go. Don't be afraid to get in there and move things around until you're happy with it. Okay, guys, so next we're gonna start adding some of our greenery. I'm trying to decide which one I want to add first. I think I'll add the burgundy first and make that be on the bottom. Okay, guys, I think we are finished. It is huge, but I think it's beautiful. I love how this turned out, and I hope you guys can see all the way from the top to the bottom of it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will be very busy, so you'll be getting a lot of videos from me getting ready for this pop-up shop. But I really love the gnome piece. Again, I want to keep this one too. That's horrible. I gotta cut that out. But if you have any questions, please feel free to drop down in the comment section and ask away. And I really would love your honest opinion on this particular wreath. And as always, please, please, please give my video a like. And please subscribe and share and all that good stuff. And I hope everybody has a great rest of their day. I really, really, really love this. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.